What's going on, my planner cravers? Girl Sondie, and I'm back with another plan with me. This time we're using the planning accessory stickers, and she has a shop, and I will be listing down below. Please check her out. She is cold. These stickers are very nice. They're very smooth, and the quality is beautiful. So as I'm going to start off this plan with me, of course, I'm starting off with my decorative stickers first, putting those down as I go. So this kit is called the Weekend Fields, and I really like the fact it has, a lounge chair. You got your boss chick accessories in these pictures, and also like cameras and stuff like that. But anyway, can I just point out that I love the color schemes? And you know what's crazy? I used to never like cat print anything. Oh gosh, cat print was just ugh. To me, cat print always linked it to cougars. I would never do a cat print. You'll never see me in a cat print. Me and cat print was just not friends back then. So I don't know if it's something to do with age or what. It probably is. But right now I'm just trying to layer out my stickers, trying to make everything even as far as colors. The color she uses like a tan, like a blush. There's some grays. There's some I don't know, it's like some type of deep greenish blue color. Very, very nice. Seriously, guys, check her out. This shop is, I will be purchasing some more. You guys will be seeing more of her sticker kits in my videos coming up. So right now I'm trying to, layer out the different header stickers around. I try not to put too much cat print in one area and then just have another set of cat print in another area is what I'm trying to say. And she gives you white headers, she gives you two sets of different cat prints, and she gives you like the beige, and also you also get glitter headers too. So the kit comes with so many different variety types of headers. I'm just like, wow, and just shocked. I will definitely say, out of all the kits that I purchased so far, this one's got to be my best one as far as quality goes. Guys, listen, the quality is bomb. I'm not saying that, but it's a very smooth texture. Your pen glides across the texture of the sticker. So if you try to, not try to, but pretty much rewrite on it, it's going to go and look very nice. I'm going to say this one time, and hopefully I don't have to say this again, but I know I probably will say it again. I really am upset that I did not make sure that this was the actual planner that I wanted to do plan with me, because now I'm not trying to knock Happy Planner or nothing, but my issue is this color, man. I have this green color, and I'm like, didn't realize, because I was so excited that I found a Happy Planner at Walmart, and I'm like, that's what I want, and didn't realize that I'll have to deal with whatever color is for, in between. Actually, the whole planner has green. Oh, great. So, yeah. So right now I'm pointing out all these different bows she has at the bottom of the kit. Oh my gosh. I love those bows. And on top of that, she gives you so much with this kit that you may end up using with another kit or so. But she gives you more than enough that you need then to do what you have to do. If you don't like that much cat print, you could spread it out with check boxes, checklists, and all, things like that. So, yep. So right now I'm just still putting down my stickers, putting down, for this week. I'm trying to still get used to the fact that, the tweezers, okay? Now, I don't mind tweezers, but I really find myself doing a lot better when I just use my hands. I'm gonna be honest. I had a question the other day if I was going to do wiki kits in my shop, and I don't have a definite answer at this moment, but I don't see why not as far as doing maybe a couple of bomb kits, but I don't see myself doing kits all the time. Like, I would like to continue to do my little sticker sheets as I go, but I mean, I don't know, because right now I barely have the time to do my regular sticker sheets, so that's why I don't want to commit to something that I'm not for sure if I'm going to actually commit to, you know what I mean? So that's my intake on that. Alright, so here is the finishing look of all the stickers placed down, and now we are ready to do the plan with me. Alrighty, so I never start on the far left side. I always start right on. So right now, of course, same schedule pretty much every day. Mostly I try to keep it a little more interesting for you guys. Work every day, 8 a.m. This particular Monday, I got a flat tire. It was not fun, okay? And also on top of that, I forgot my lunch. So I was just in bad shape that day, guys. Good thing Babe was off where he had to handle some business, so he did help me out. So I said, oh yeah, that's nice. And of course, I almost had a flat tire on my way dropping off Prime, and which is my son. If you guys didn't know, my son's name is Prime. So dropping him off, my sensor goes off, and I'm like, oh no. And it's so funny, I just had a flat tire 2 weeks ago. So I ran over another nail in the same tire. I'm like, you know what? This is crazy. My car insurance was due that day, and let me tell you, I didn't have roadside assistance. So your girl was hot. Now I have roadside assistance, but right now, I just hope to not run into any more nails. Your girl writes big. I wish I didn't write so big, but I do. That way I can put more, on here. But so I tried to write as small as I could. So that's how I did it. Now for Tuesday, of course, work 8 a.m. Same thing every day. I had a meeting at work that day, and of course I drop off my son daycare always 7:45 or so in the morning. Then I go to work at 8. He's literally like 5 minutes from my job. Meeting was at 3 p.m. and it was just, that day was a busy day. It was a lot of work that needed to be done at work, so that's okay though. Busy days calls for faster days. So later after that, of course, I got off at 5. I really don't remember too much of that day for real. I'm gonna be honest. And I put what's for dinner because I said I really don't think I cooked anything that day. I don't remember. So Prime, of course, bath time at 7:30. His bedtime is at 8. So I wrote that down in there. He knows what his bedtime is. He's only 6 months old, but he gets cranky with me if I don't put him down at the time where he knows he needs to be put down. So Capital One payment due on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I also want to say happy birthday to my babe. His birthday was Wednesday. And for that, I went ahead, since I was in the area, I picked up some Gino's Pizza. He loves Gino's Pizza, so I decided, like, you know what, I want to pick up some Gino's Pizza today. Because if I'm not cooking, it's Gino's Pizza day. So, work at 8 a.m. It wasn't a good day in the morning, but it got better later on. But then again, babe ended up getting sick. He wasn't feeling good on his birthday. Like, it was really crazy. He had a really bad headache, and he pretty much took an early day, and he just went in and just slept when he got home, pretty much. All right, guys. So we are on Thursday. On Thursday, I had to put out some ground beef. You know, sometimes you kind of forget to put out some ground beef or whatever you need to cook for later. I'm that person. So I'm trying to find some different icon stickers to put on there. Finally found one. Of course, boom, another coffee cup, because guess what? It is time for work. Of course, like I said, every day, work, 8 a.m. And then, of course, I try to find another sticker to put down, because I had to put that I was going to post my weekly check-in. I always post the time of my videos to post at the time when I have to be at work. So when I'm at work, my video is posted, and it could be a good thing or bad thing, but I always come to surprise later on when I finally get the time to check my video, see how many views I got. So hopefully you guys will like this video. Later on, I'm like, wow, I haven't checked my P.O.Box most of the week. Check my P.O.Box. Later on, pick up Prime. Then I decided to cook. So I made some lasagna. Prime was cranky tired that day. I don't know. He must have had just a very long day. And it was just a long day in general. So I kind of cut it short and just bedtime. I went to bed at 11:45 that night. So, of course, the next day, here we go again. Same thing, pow, work. So now that we have work, and of course, it's another stressful day at work. So I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. Speeding to the end of the day, pick up Prime at 4:45. And then Prime is not feeling too well this day. And it's Friday, so I said, uh-oh. So I take Prime to the ER because the lady, daycare lady, saying he's been pulling on his ears. And usually when babies do that, you would think they have an ear infection. I did not want to deal with that this weekend, so I decided to take him to the ER. Kind of find out he just has a respiratory infection. It's viral, need to run his course. They did not prescribe me anything. So I said, okay. He ended up being okay. But then I've noticed that my throat started hurting, and I was just like, oh. So now for the rest of the day, I noticed, okay, my throat hurts, so that means I'm getting sick now. So trying to find another sticker to put, and I actually have found a sticker to put down for ER visits, so I'll put that there. And then we're going to move on to Saturday, sick. And I'll put another exclamation point, sick, okay? I was sick. I was not feeling good. I couldn't get no work done. I couldn't get no stickers done. I couldn't barely sit up. My equilibrium was off. So much pressure in my head. I had the headaches, nasal drip. Like, I was, guys. But guess what? Prime was okay. So, I had an order that I was going to post to mail for Monday, which, I did. I was like, thank goodness, because I couldn't leave the house at all last weekend. So, it was really, really crazy. But on to Sunday, I woke up about 8 a.m. After having that day of chaos, and then I went back to bed at 10 a.m. because I just had to start the day again. Still wasn't feeling good. And then after that, I woke back up at 1 p.m. Try to start my day. Feel a little bit better, but not 100%. Usually Sundays are like my cleaning day. And Prime, I had the worst headache that day on Sunday. And Prime was so cranky. He was not for me at all. Like, he was like, not for any excuse, anything I had. He did not care. He wanted the attention. Later that day, I posted a Cricut tutorial video, and then I had to edit my Hobonichi video that you guys actually just posted yesterday, so hopefully you guys watched that video. And of course, trying to get some cleaning done, but babe had to get the cleaning done, so he did help me out a lot with the kitchen. Thank you, babe. I'm really excited about that because I was no good. I was no good, guys. It was pretty bad. So I always save the left side for what I planned to do for the week or so. And the first thing, of course, is post 5 YouTube videos. I believe I posted 4 out of 5, not too bad. Move my room around. I don't know how many times I've been telling myself I want to do this. Haven't accomplished it. Have a positive week. I didn't have really a positive week. Of course, we celebrated Babe's 35th birthday. Ship orders, create stickers, ship orders. Didn't know what I had for Thursday. Ship orders. So shipping orders I ship on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. And in between the time, of course, try to create new stickers. So drink water, check. Create new stickers, check. Post to IG, check. Post to my second IG. I have not been showing my personal IG any love lately because I've been so into this planner stuff, which I love. But I gotta keep my other people up to date on what my life has been like. And read to Prime. You know, it's always great to read to kids. And I know I'm like jumping ahead. You guys will see it in a minute. But it's always great to read to Prime. And it's just that right now I'm at that stage where I say numbers and ABCs, you know what I mean? So that way he can retain it, and I just keep singing it back and forth. And you know, kids are amazing. Like, he sits and he watches you do stuff, and he kind of really for real mimics exactly what you do. It's kind of sort of, you know, you don't have all this balance yet, but he's like, don't want to crawl. He wants to just skip to the walking stage. Like, he said, what crawl? So I do apologize, guys. I was supposed to have this video out Sunday, didn't work out, but it's okay. You guys know I've been down, so I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. It's your girl Sondie, and it came out very beautiful. I will see you guys in the next one.